Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to increase your credit limit with Capital One Quicksilver. So while we're focusing specifically on Capital One, many of these tips can help you boost your credit limit with other issuers as well. We'll also cover the main reasons your request might get denied and how to avoid those pitfalls. So stay tuned and you'll learn how to unlock more available credit, which can help your credit score and provide financial flexibility. So let's get right into it. The first tip is a very basic one, but extremely important as well. Make sure you pay your credit card bill on time each month. Payment history makes up a major part of your credit score. Late or missed payments will almost certainly disqualify you from getting a credit limit increase. Not only that, but late payments negatively impact your credit. To build great payment history, I recommend setting up autopay on your Capital One card if possible. This way your monthly bill gets paid automatically without you having to think about it. Every single late payment can ding your credit and get flagged on your credit report. Multiple late payments will almost certainly disqualify you from getting any credit limit increases. And that's because on-time payments show the banks that you are a responsible borrower who they can trust with more available credit. Obviously, late payments conversely tell them that you may be a risk. So set up the autopay wherever possible so your bills are paid automatically without you having to think about it. Consistently on-time payments over many years will lay the groundwork for credit line increase approvals. Banks want to see a long track record of responsible usage before giving you more financing power. Now, whenever you apply for a new credit card or request a credit line increase, the application will ask you to provide your personal annual income. It's extremely important to report your full income as accurately as possible. In general, the higher your stated income, the higher credit limits you'll be approved for, since you're viewed as a lower default risk. Your reported income should include all stable sources like your salary, bonuses, annual commissions, side hustle revenue, and any other consistent cash flows. Only include income you're responsibly certain will continue in the future. And obviously, don't inflate your income just to get higher limits. Be truthful or else you could get accused of fraud. Giving an artificially low income number just to appear more conservative is unnecessary. It could only limit your credit potential. The banks use your income to set appropriate credit lines, so give them an accurate picture. Along with your income, credit card applications will also ask you who you're currently employed by. This is one of the other factors that determines whether you get approved for a new credit. If you're self-employed or an independent contractor, simply writing self-employed may get flagged as higher risk by banks. So instead, I recommend listing your own business name or steady client as your employer. For example, if you're a real estate agent, put the name of the brokerage you're licensed with, and if you're a freelance designer, put the ABC company where ABC is a regular client. This demonstrates that you have ongoing income coming in even though you're self-employed. Banks would rather see a stated employer than unverified self-employment income. The next tip is to use your card regularly. Turns out Capital One wants to see regular, consistent card usage before they'll approve limit increases. Inactivity signals that you might not actually need a higher credit line. So try to use your Capital One card at least a few times per month to keep it active. You can put small recurring charges like Netflix, cloud storage, or Spotify on it just to establish a usage pattern. Moderate, regular card activity shows the banks that you will truly benefit from more available credit. Don't give them a reason to deny you due to inactivity. So now that you have the critical tips for getting approved, let's walk through the actual process of requesting a credit line increase within the Capital One mobile application. Open up the Capital One app and tap your profile icon, usually your initials or an image. In your account settings menu, scroll down and tap account and feature settings, and then select the credit card account settings. Finally, tap the button for request credit line increase, and then it will prompt you to select which specific Capital One credit card you want to increase. So tap to pick that one card. Enter the details accurately based on the tips that I provided earlier to boost your odds of instant approval. If you don't get approved right away, you will receive an email or app notification in the coming days letting you know the decision. So if you get denied, carefully check the reason provided by Capital One and make sure to address any issues before requesting again. Once you fix those problems, you will almost instantly gain approval in the next time. Using these credit limit increase strategies consistently over time gives you the highest chance of getting approved for larger lines with Capital One and even issuers like Amex or Chase. Higher limits provide financial flexibility in case you needed it, plus more available credit with low utilization can help you boost your credit scores. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know in the comments if you have any other kind of tips or tricks for getting bigger credit lines approved. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to this one.